When we small business owners have uncertainty about our businesses, it creates fear and overwhelm. With fear and overwhelm comes a loss of control. We have no clarity about the future. We fight fires every single day, and we use gut feel to make business decisions. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to make payroll. We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we're going to get new business, and if we get new business, are we going to do it profitably? We stay up nights worrying about whether or not we can pay our personal bills and what we're going to tell our spouses when we can't. We stay up nights worrying about what could possibly go wrong next, and we fear the embarrassment, emotional, and economic loss associated with total and complete failure. On the other hand, when you have control over your business, you have clarity about the future. You know what tomorrow will bring, and if tomorrow takes a different turn, you know how to handle it. You have the right tools and the right information to make the right business decisions. And you have all the contingencies covered. And as a result, you're able to enjoy more profit and income, pay all of your bills, have no more challenging discussions with your spouse about getting another job, and at the same time, increase the value of your business. In short, you have a business that works. My name is Michael Barbarita from Next Step CFO, and at Next Step CFO, we are a contracted Chief Financial Officer services firm. And we are providing services and producing information products that give clarity and control to small business owners, helping them make the right business decisions that lead to multiple six figures in profit and income and seven figures in business value. With over 30 years of experience in actually owning retail, manufacturing, and service companies, I truly understand the risks and opportunities of business ownership. And over the last 10 years, I've been providing clarity to small business owners through business and cash flow forecasting, key performance indicators or metrics, and business ownership experience. In this short video, and the free short videos that I put together for you available for download, I'm going to show you how to gain more clarity and control over your business, as well as helping you make better business decisions. I basically answer frequently asked questions by business owners, as well as questions that business owners should ask. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get those other free videos. So sit back and enjoy. If we know what tomorrow will bring, there are huge opportunities to minimize costs and maximize profits. But we don't know what tomorrow will bring, and that's why we forecast. Hello everyone, my name is Michael Barbarita from Next Step CFO, where we empower the business owner with information and analysis that leads to business success. Today, I want to speak to you about the importance of a business and cash flow forecast. Why do we forecast? Well, as I said in my opening, we have a better handle on the opportunities and risks in our business if we know what tomorrow will bring. Because no one knows what tomorrow will bring, business and cash flow forecasting at least gives us a better chance to determine what tomorrow may bring, as well as reduce fear and overwhelm that the uncertainty of the future of the business causes. Take a look at this slide and note the advantages of having a business and cash flow forecast. AMR research says that companies that perform business and cash flow forecasts spend 15% less on inventory, have cash cycles that are 35% shorter, and let me define the cash cycle. The cash cycle is the time frame between the outlay of cash for inventory or the cost of a service and the ultimate receipt of cash from the customer. When the time frame is compressed, there's more cash flow. That time frame is compressed by 35% when you do a forecast. And thirdly, companies that prepare a business and cash flow forecast have 90% fewer stockouts. Have you ever made any of these statements or asked these questions? Virtually all my clients do. It's a surefire trigger for the need for a business and cash flow forecast. All of these statements and questions can be answered with a business and cash flow forecast. The forecast continually updates itself when we plug the actual results into the model each month. As a result, these questions are answered today, but anytime in the future as well, and many times decisions get clearer just by waiting for a few months for actual results and seeing the forecast change. One huge advantage of forecasting is the foresight you get. In many of the cases, if you know something is going to happen or even could happen in advance, you're more likely to be able to resolve the problem ahead of time, increasing the quality of the decision and the control you have of your business. The most common two words we business owners say is what if. The reason we say what if is because we want to cover all the opportunities and risks so we can take control of the situation, take control of our business. After all, we want to know, what if sales increase or decrease? What if profit margins increase or decrease? What if you bought more efficient equipment? What if you did more advertising and it didn't produce the results you expected? And what if you added a field manager to overhead? These are just some of the what if questions. I'm sure you have a lot more. Let me explain what a professional forecast looks like. A professional forecast should contain at a minimum a forecasted monthly income statement, forecasted monthly balance sheets, and by the way, this is a real differentiator. You can tell immediately an amateur forecast from a professional forecast by the exclusion of a monthly forecasted balance sheet. They should definitely be in there. Forecasted monthly cash flow statements, a forecasted monthly inventory plan if you have inventory in your business, a forecasted monthly trade accounts payable plan, key performance indicators, and through this process, we will be able to identify the most effective business model you can have. Is the forecast a crystal ball? No, of course not. But that is why a professional forecast creates multiple what-if scenarios, encompassing every likely possibility that your business can encounter. When the CFO and the business owner, who understands the current climate for the business and the industry, work in concert, they can produce the most likely scenario and develop a going forward strategy. A professionally prepared business and cash flow forecast will uncover developing cash flow problems, compress the cash flow cycle, and answer the most commonly asked questions that we business owners ask. In closing, although we can't predict the future, a good business and cash flow forecast gives you the best chance to determine what tomorrow will bring. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My contact information is on this final slide. Thank you for listening, and may the road to success rise up to meet you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, I have 19 other short, free videos just like it available for download. All you need to do is go to www.nextstepcfo.net, click on the link that says free videos, and we'll download those to you immediately. I look forward to helping you.